Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos that will help to motivate you into taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Question: are credit cards a blessing in disguise or a ticking time bomb waiting to explode? This, my friends, is the question that has sparked countless debates and divided opinions across the globe. Today, we're going to delve into the intricate world of credit cards and unravel the mystery that surrounds them. We'll explore the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're not just going to skim the surface, oh no. We're diving deep to give you an unbiased, comprehensive analysis of the pros and cons of plastic money. We'll explore the undeniable convenience credit cards bring, while also shedding light on the potential pitfalls that could turn your financial world upside down. We're here to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your financial future. Ready to dive into the world of credit cards? Here we go. Scene script. Let's start on a positive note. How can credit cards be beneficial? Imagine earning while spending. Seems like a dream, right? But this is precisely one of the prime benefits of credit cards: cashback. Yes, a certain percentage of the money you spend gets returned to you. It's like a mini discount on every purchase, making your shopping sprees a little less guilty. Then, there are reward points. These are like frequent flyer miles for shoppers. Each time you swipe, you accumulate points which can be redeemed for a variety of goodies. Fancy a new coffee maker or a gift card to your favorite store? Your reward points might just make that happen. Moving on, credit cards are a fantastic tool for building credit. Every timely payment you make, every responsible use of your credit limit, contributes to boosting your credit score. A solid credit history can open doors to better loan terms and interest rates in the future. So you see, using a credit card wisely today can be like planting a seed for a more secure financial future. Credit cards also win big on ease of use. Whether you're dining at a fancy restaurant or shopping online from the comfort of your couch, a credit card is all you need. It's quick, it's convenient, and it's accepted almost everywhere. No need to worry about carrying wads of cash or hunting for an ATM in the middle of the night. Lastly, let's talk about emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unexpected expenses can pop up. In such situations, a credit card can act as a safety net, providing you with the necessary funds when you need them the most. Sounds amazing, right? But hold your horses, there's always two sides to a coin. Now let's move to the darker side. What are the potential downsides of using credit cards? Credit cards, while convenient, can sometimes be a double-edged sword. One of the primary drawbacks is the high interest rates. If you're not diligent about paying off your balance in full each month, the interest can quickly pile up, and before you know it, you're paying interest on your interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering size and speed. Then there's the risk of falling into a debt trap. It's easy to swipe your card without considering the consequences, but that buy now, pay later mentality can land you in hot water if you're not careful. Credit card debt is like a pit. The deeper you go, the harder it is to climb out. Overspending is another common pitfall. With a credit limit that may feel like free money, it's tempting to treat yourself to that extra pair of shoes or the latest smartphone. But remember, every swipe is a loan that needs to be repaid. Next comes the potential for credit score damage. Your credit score is a measure of your credit worthiness, and it plays a significant role in your financial life. Late payments, high balances, and maxed out cards can all negatively impact your credit score. A low score might make it difficult to secure loans or mortgages in the future. Finally, let's talk about hidden fees. Late payment fees, annual fees, cash advance fees, foreign transaction fees, the list goes on. Some of these fees might seem small, but they can add up over time, eating into your hard-earned money. So there you have it. High interest rates, debt traps, overspending, credit score damage, and hidden fees are some of the potential downsides of using credit cards. But don't let these scare you away. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool if used responsibly. Well, that's a bit of a downer, but remember, it's all about how you use it. So, how can you harness the power of credit cards without falling into their pitfalls? Well, it all starts with a simple yet fundamental practice: paying off your balances in full each month. When you pay your balance in full, you avoid interest charges and keep your credit utilization low, which is great for your credit score. Remember, credit cards aren't free money, and the bill always comes due. Now, let's talk about keeping track of your spending. It's easy to swipe away without realizing how much you're accumulating. So, make a habit of checking your account regularly. There are plenty of apps that can help you monitor your spending. It's like keeping an eye on the fuel gauge while driving. You wouldn't want to be caught off guard in the middle of a highway with an empty tank, right? The same goes for your credit card. Understanding the terms and conditions of your credit card is also crucial. Know your card's interest rates, fees, grace periods, and how your issuer calculates your balance. These details may seem boring, but they can make a significant difference in how much your credit card costs you. And then, there's the fun part. Rewards. Credit cards often come with enticing rewards programs, from cash back to travel miles. However, it's essential to use these rewards wisely. Don't spend more just to earn rewards. Instead, use your card for regular purchases and let the rewards accumulate over time. Finally, consider setting a lower credit limit for yourself. This can help keep your spending in check. Remember, it's not about how much credit you can get, but how responsibly you can manage what you have. So, there you have it. Responsible credit card use is not about fear, but about understanding, discipline, and smart decisions. It's about using the tools at your disposal to your advantage, and not letting them take control over you. With the right approach, credit cards can be a useful tool in your financial arsenal. Not sure if credit cards are for you? There are other options out there. Indeed, the financial world is not limited to credit cards. There are alternatives like debit cards, prepaid cards, cash, and mobile payments that you might consider. Let's start with debit cards. These are linked directly to your bank account. When you make a purchase, the money is immediately withdrawn. This real-time transaction can help you stay within your budget, as you can only spend what you have. However, they don't help in building a credit history like credit cards do. Next up, prepaid cards. These are cards you load with money ahead of time. Think of them as a digital version of an envelope system. You can only spend the amount you've loaded onto the card. This could be a great option for those who want to avoid debt or overspending. Just remember, like debit cards, they won't contribute to your credit score. Of course, we can't forget good old cash. It's tangible, it's straightforward, and it's accepted almost everywhere. Spending cash can make you more mindful of your purchases because you physically see the money leaving your hand. But it's not always the safest option to carry large sums, and it doesn't offer the convenience of online shopping. Lastly, we have mobile payments. Services like Apple Pay or Google Pay allow you to pay with just a tap of your phone. They're fast, convenient, and typically come with security features to protect your information. However, they require a smartphone, and not all merchants accept them. Each of these alternatives has its pros and cons, just like credit cards. Debit and prepaid cards can help you control your spending but won't build your credit. Cash is simple and effective, but not always convenient or safe. Mobile payments offer ease and security, but their acceptance varies. Remember, the best choice depends on your unique financial situation and habits. So take the time to evaluate your needs and preferences, and choose the payment method that suits you best. That's the key to managing your money wisely. So, are credit cards a boon or a bane? The answer, like many things in life, is it depends. It's all about how you choose to use this financial tool. We've explored the numerous advantages they offer, like convenience, rewards, and the ability to build a credit history. But we've also delved into the potential pitfalls, such as high interest rates, fees, and the risk of spiraling into debt. Remember, responsible use is key. Paying off your balance in full each month, keeping track of your spending, and understanding the terms of your card can turn it into a powerful ally in your financial journey. Alternatives do exist, but they come with their own pros and cons. It's essential to understand your financial habits, needs, and discipline before deciding to use a credit card or its alternatives. In the end, it's not about the tool, but the hand that wields it. Choose wisely. For more videos about ways to moving forward to financial freedom and the motivation to achieve money goals, please like and subscribe to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel.